Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make zucchini fritters. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so for this recipe I'm going to be using 2 large zucchinis. If you have small ones, you can use 3 zucchinis. Now the first thing we need to do is we want to grate all of our zucchinis on the coarse side. Now we're just going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. And we just want to mix this with our zucchini. What this is going to do is release all that moisture out of our zucchini. That way when we squash it, all that juice will come out. We need to get rid of as much as we can. So just let that sit there with the salt for about 10 minutes, then we'll come back and strain it. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes now. So we're going to start squeezing our zucchini and look at all that water coming out. When you start to get a lot of water, we're just going to empty it into the sink. Alternatively, guys, you can drink this, it's very healthy. And once again, we're going to repeat this. Alright, so we've gotten all the water out of our zucchini, so we'll set that aside. We're going to bring across half a handful of parsley, and we're just going to chop this up. Now you want to try and get it fine like this. If you want, you can put it into a food processor, but that's just going to make it more watery. We don't want that. So we'll add our parsley straight to our zucchini. Next I'm just going to bring across some fresh dill, and we're just going to chop that as well. Now this is about 1 tablespoon of dill. And we'll put that straight into our zucchini as well. Now we're also going to crack in 1 whole egg, about 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we'll just give this a quick mix all together. We just want to make sure all those ingredients are well combined because we don't want clumps of it in certain places. It's got to be even. Now we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of plain flour. Now this can be done without the flour as well. It won't be the same texture and crunchiness. Alternatively, if you want a gluten-free version, do it with corn flour. Same amount. And we just want to mix our flour in as well. And get that nice and smooth so it's not clumpy. Just like so. You want to have a nice, almost dough-like consistency, but not too thick. Okay, so now let's go to our stove and start to cook. So just into a large pan on a medium heat, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once your pan is hot, we're going to add about a tablespoon of our mixture straight in. And keep it together so you can sort of make an oval shape. Or any shape you like for that matter. Now depending on the size of your pan, you may need to do about 2 or 3 batches. And we're just going to cook those on a medium heat. After about 1 minute, we're going to start to flip our fritters. And we want that nice golden brown colour. Just like so. And we're just going to cook for about another 2 or 3 minutes on the other side too, so it's nice and golden brown. Once you've created a gap when you flip them, you can add more batter in to make the rest. So after another 2 minutes, we'll just go ahead and check. This is the first time we started cooking. And as you can see, the bottom is also golden brown. So we can take this one out. And we'll just continue with the rest. Alright, and there we have it guys, just look at that. Nice and crispy on the outside, and nice and moist on the inside. So these are perfect served on their own as an appetizer. You can put it with rice, salad, you can put it into a sandwich as well, and they'll come out perfect. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.